Thank you for joining us in this video. In this video, we're going to see how we can resolve an unconfirmed payment that was done on Remita. As you can see from this video, this is a Remita payment gateway showing confirming transfer. This payment was done when a CAC annual returns payment was made, but the payment was not confirmed. The payment was successful, but there was no confirmation of it. And you know, the CAC portal is automated. Once a payment is made and it is successful, it automatically takes you back to the CAC portal and it auto generates a receipt of payment and the acknowledgement letter that your annual returns have been paid. But in this instance, payment was made and there was no confirmation of payment. So how do you resolve this? So the best way to resolve it, instead of sending messages to the Remita community service platform on Remita website, the best thing to do is that you send an email to Remita. Use the email address that you will send it to. You see it. As you can see, this is the email that was sent to Remita CAC post declaration confirmed transaction. You can see the email address support support at remita.net. That's the email address that was sent to them. You can see this. You can see this that was sent. Say greetings. I initiated payment for a CAC and now returns via bank transfer with mutual retrieval number dash. Say the transfer was successful, but the payment was not confirmed. So it still stuck as unpaid on the CAC portal. Kindly see the screenshot. So if you did the payment via bank transfer, you can make it an attachment as seen this. And if you have a screenshot of the portal showing the unconfirmed payment, you can equally attach it. So this was the email that was sent. When this email is sent, you will get usually after you have sent that email, you will receive an automated email from Remita. This is usually how you see Remita support has received your email regarding say I'm working on resolve the issue. This is automated. You see the phone number, the email to send, and then you can track your listing here. So this is the automated reply. Hello, thank you for contacting Remita Payment Service customer experience. This is an automated reply. So you clearly be told that this is an automated reply, and then you will see this is the tracking ID number, the ticket number I use to track your listing and your email complaint. There's a phone number here, and you will also see support to remita.com, which is different. The first email we use was support at remita.net. This is support to at remita.net, which you can also use. So this was sent on Friday, and an automated reply was also received. So after that, you will now after you get your automated reply, you will also receive a personalized response from the Remita team. So you can see here, this is a personalized response. Thank you for your mail. The recent transaction is being reviewed and payment receipt will be forwarded to the registered email address if confirmed successful. All components are duly recorded. So this you can see this this now a personalized response from them. You can see customer experience team. You can see the name here. This personalized email from it. You can see this was just about 2 hours or so, over 2 hours or so after the first email was sent, and it was 10 minutes after the opening hours for working hours. It was 10 minutes after. You can see this confirmation. So you can see the reference number 2. So after the personalized email, you also, when they have finished their investigation with the referenced retrieval number, after they reviews it, they will now send you a receipt of confirming the payment. You see the receipt. So this is the based on that transaction. This is the receipt. You can see it was sent. You can see the retrieval number here. This is the ROA number. So let's check it. Let's check it on. So you can see this is the remitter number here. 10 with 9 is 2014 30449 472. You can see it's the same thing with this. That's the remitter number that we had issues with. So they've now reviewed it after our email was sent. So you see the resolution of the whole things lasted for, let's say, just 2 to 3 hours, about 3 hours or thereabout. So you say click here to view, you can click here to view the receipt. So this is the receipt. This is the receipt of payment. You can see the withdrawal number. This is the receipt. So this is the receipt of payment. It says receipts that we use for payment. So that's how you can resolve unconfirmed payment on CAC portal when you have issues with the remitter. Instances when that receipt is sent to you, there are instances where you cannot use it to confirm your payment on CAC portal. Since the CAC portal system is everything is automated. So in the instance you can repeat that payment a second time on CAC portal. Then when you have done that, you now ask for refund of the money that you spent on CAC portal on CAC. So we'll be saying in the next video after this, we'll be saying how you can ask for refund on CAC when you have made multiple payments. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.